The Adventure of Toto. This is the second chapter of your moment, and here is your answer. And in this video, I'll cover your second chapter. And this is your amazing chapter, my dear friends. And after watching this video, you must read a book at your home so that you can understand it very good. And my dear friends, that's very interesting chapter, and in this video we will discuss the story and value points so that we can remember it very good. So my dear friends, let's start it from the very beginning. Welcome students. Adventure of Toto. So let's talk it's a short summary so we can understand it very good. Adventure of Toto, that is written by Ruskin Bond, and there are two main characters in this lesson. First one is your writer's grandfather and second one is your Toto. So my dear friends, Toto is the name of a monkey, and monkey is your baby. Okay, so we will discuss a little bit about this one so that we can understand it very good. The story Adventure of Toto is written by the famous author Ruskin Bond. In this story he describes how the grandfather is fond of animal. One day he bought a monkey from a Tonga driver and named it Toto, and his grandfather had his favorite zoo, and so he kept the little monkey in it. So my dear friends, as you are looking here, a baby monkey and writer's grandfather. So let's move on. Welcome guys once more. So in this video let's talk about the first paragraph of this chapter. So here is your the narrator's grandfather was an animals lover. He established his own private zoo. He bought a baby monkey from a Tonga driver and named it to Toto. The narrator's grandmother did not like his pets. Toto's presence was kept in a little closet which opened into the narrator's room. Toto tore off Arthur's school blazer. He peeled off the plaster also. Toto was kept with other animals. There he did not allow them to live peacefully. The grandfather had to collect his pensions from Sharhanpurs, so he decided to take him to the Sharhanpurs. So let's see whether he takes him or not. So here is your second paragraph of this video. Welcome students. So he took Toto with him. He had to pay extra fare for Toto. Toto was ultimately accepted by the family. He was put into a stable with Nana, the family donkey. Toto teased Nana. Toto and Nana never become friends. One Toto nearly boiled himself alive. So my dear friends, what happens? Grandfather took Toto along with him as he was a real dangerous for every living soul in the household. Other animals in grandfather's zoo were at Toto's mercy even during the night. So grandfather decided to provide some relief to other animals. The zoo Toto is fond of bathing with warm water. So once having tasted the warmth of water in kettle, Toto sits in the kettle. Probably he is not intelligent enough to understand the risks of boiling water. So he pops his heel up and down in the kettles. So my dear friends, let's see what happened in the next paragraph. Welcome students. Let's see. He tore dresses of the aunt. He broke plates and utensils. One day he entered the dining room and ran out plates of plow. He threw the plates at grandmother. Toto caused much mess to the family. They could not tolerate him anymore. In frustration, the grandfather sold Toto back to the Tonga driver and hiked a sign of relief. So my dear friends, the Toto's obstacles was increasing day by day. It was destroying everything it could be lay hands on. For a family of a middle class status, buying dishes every day can be a costly affair, or or for that matter it can be unnecessary harassment for people from any economic background. So keeping a naughty monkey like a Toto can never be pleasant experience for anybody. So grandfather sold back Toto to the same Tonga driver in loss of 2 rupees. Thank you for watching guys, and see you again in the next video. Till then, have a fun.